Hello, how you guys doing? Happy Saturday. So today for our episode of Baking in Times of Quarantine, I've got you a great recipe because we are making one cookie dough fits all, meaning that I am going to show you a fantastic cookie dough base recipe, and then you can take it from there with whatever you have in your pantry. And when I say whatever, I really do mean whatever. I am going to go the directions of crunchy cookie butter, peanut butter, maybe jelly, peanut butter and chocolate for sure, some sprinkles. I'm going to do dulce de leche, my personal favorite, Reese's peanut butter cups, Oreos. You can go one flavor per cookie, and you can just do like kitchen sink cookie, whatever you guys want to do. I mean, it's Saturday morning. I'm wearing a tropical robe. You're probably in your pajamas. We're gonna bake together, and it's just a matter of having fun and trying to find some joy during these hard times. Also, gather up the small ones in the house, or gather up whoever you have in your house quarantining with you, and let's do this together because this is perfect to do like a little cookie bar, and we can all make our own cookies. So let's get started. So we have our dough nice and mixed. Let me tell you how proud I am of this. You can do it by hand as I'm doing it. There's no need to use the mixer, but if you do want to use the mixer, more power to you. It's all about you today and whatever you want to do. So now I'm going to add my combination of dry ingredients, and I'm going to carefully go ahead and incorporate it all. Okay, so now I'm switching over to a spatula because at this point the dough is thick enough that it's just gonna stay inside your whisk rather than mixing, so it's time for spatula. And again, with a little TLC, we're going to get this dough together. So the dough is nicely coming together. This is what we want. It's like a chocolate chip cookie base. That's it. That's what it is. It's a base for a great chocolate chip cookie. If you want to stay there, if you want to go ahead and be extra, then the world's your oyster, my friend. cookies are out of the oven. They've been baking for about 15 minutes, but it's because I made them using a 1/4 cup measurement, so they came out huge, as you can see, like almost my face. So if you were to do them smaller, it would be between 10 and 12 minutes. Always go for underbaked, never overbake anything, because it's gonna change dramatically its texture, flavor, and overall experience. So as you can see, this is a very irregular cookie, but that's the beauty of home baking. And this is chocolate and walnut. I'm going to try it because that's the point. Really good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.